OWON Smart Bluetooth Digital Multimeter OW18E. A 4 half-digits auto-ranging multimeter. Function with true RMS, more convenient measurement, higher accuracy. With NCV function, helpful for inspecting the power line on and off. Support backlight, working available under dark environment. OW18E is a 20,000 count tester, can complete high standard tests. Basic measurement functions: AC current, DC current, AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance, capacity, frequency, continuity, temperature. Special features: record, analysis, save, share, remote control. OW18E built-in BLE 4.0 Bluetooth module, supports mobile phones and computer devices, and can meet the wireless testing requirements under certain conditions. One mobile phone supports 4 multimeter connected simultaneously, which can compare and analyze different measurement values in the record mode. The record data can be stored in CSV format. The power consumption of OW18E is 1/6 of common multimeter. With the offline recording function, we can get longer recording time. If the battery is low, OW18E will automatically turn off for data protection.